Hello everyone, today we are going to install the Havoc OS, the latest version 1 3.3, and the update was this March 17. Okay, so we are going to install this ROM and I'm going to show you how to do that. Right now there is two versions for this Havoc OS. One is with the gaps and another one is without the gaps. So if you download the ROM that doesn't have the gaps or the Google application, you need to install the gaps also, but as I am not going to do that, there is another version with the gaps, so the Google files are included. Let me show you the info. So Beryllium official gaps, so this is the file ROM file that has the gaps included, so you do not need to install the gaps. I suggest you do install that if you want the Google applications. So I have the gaps version and the disable force encryption. Right now I am in the Lineage OS unofficial 17.1. I have the video for these ROMs installations. You can check that out. Let me show you the ROM I am in. So I am in the Lineage OS 17.1 unofficial. So I am already in an Android 10 based ROM, so I do not need the firmware for installing this Havoc OS. So before you install this ROM, if from whatever ROM you are coming from, you need to do one step. Okay, you need to go to setting and you need to remove your fingerprint and pin. So I am going to do that. So I have removed the screen lock and the fingerprint. And if you are coming from a MIUI based ROM, you need to sign out from your MIUI account. You have an option here for signing out your MIUI account. Okay, so you sign out from your MIUI account, then you turn off your phone and go to TWRP. So we are in the TWRP. So as I am coming from another ROM, I am going to clean install. So you know how to clean install. For clean installation, you need to format your internal storage. Okay. So I am formatting my internal storage files. My ROM files are in my SD card. Let me show you. You see, I have a micro SD card where my ROM files are. You can see the Havoc OS in the micro SD card. So if you have a memory card, you need to put your ROM in the memory card. If you do not have a memory card, you need to put the ROM in the laptop or a computer. After you format your data, you connect your mobile with the data cable through the computer and take the ROMs and put it in your internal storage. Okay, then you are going to go wipe format data. We have already done that. Advanced wipe Delphi cache system vendor data. Okay, we are going to swipe to wipe. As a precaution, I usually do this step twice. I am going to do this again, as you should or you can. So now our wiping is done. Now we just need to install our ROM. Click on install. You can see, but still I am going to do this again. We are going to select our storage, micro SD card. If you have put your ROM in the internal storage, you need to click on the internal storage. So micro SD card, okay. We are going to our ROM folder. We are going to install our ROM. Swipe to confirm to flash. Now our ROM is going to be installed. So our ROM is flashed. Now we are just going to flash the disable force encryption. We are done. Now we are going to reboot. Do not install. So we are in the setup menu of our Havoc OS. Let me just go through the setup. So our installation and setup is done. We are now officially in the Havoc OS 3.3 latest build. SD card is setting up. It's set up already. Let me just go to the setting, show you which ROM we are in. Setting. Let us go to the about phone, Android 10. Okay, so you can see we are in the Havoc OS 3.3. The kernel version is the 4.9.216. is the silver core kernel in the Android based on Android 10. So we are going to try using this ROM for a day or two and check how is it. So if you guys want any review on this ROM, let me know. I'll do a proper review for this ROM. So you guys can just install and test it for yourself. Okay, so I'll check, and if you want, let me know in the comment section if you want a review. So like, share and subscribe if you like the video.